Hey fam, I just pulled up to Aldi. I have up to $25 to spend this week, so let's see what we can get in Aldi. I have 25, but I really only want to spend 20, so let's see what's going on. Hey family, I just made it back from Aldi, and so before I put everything up, I just wanted to share with you what I'm able to get, and maybe this can inspire you, what we can get from Aldi for $25. It's not as much as it used to get, but you know, we're trying. Okay, I got some ranch dressing to go with my my romaine lettuce. So I always like to get romaine. Seedless cucumber, these are like 98 cents. These are like how much is that romaine? Romaine is romaine hearts, $2.55. Roma tomatoes, how much were my Romas? They came up to 64 cents. They're 69 cents per pound, so I got a little under a pound. Let's see, the bag avocados, $1.99, $2. So I got about 6 of these in here, and that's good. I got fruit this week. A bag of apples, Red Delicious apples. Or how much are Red Delicious apples? Are $2.89. And so this will last me a couple of weeks. And like I still got sausage from my last visit, so that'll like be breakfast. And I don't eat all the bread, and I still got eggs from my last visit. I have the turkey breast look good. So since I had the bread, I can make maybe some grilled cheeses or something like that. I needed some peanut butter just for the pantry, you know, just like, you know, in case of an emergency. So I wanted to make sure I had some peanut butter, and then some ground turkey. These little frozen ground turkey rolls are, how much is that? Ground turkey is $2.85. So I spent $24.20. Okay, so I'll show you what I come up with. This is a week. You know, I went there back to back, so I still have stuff from my last visit. So I'm just gonna kind of work it all out. Okay, see you when I start cooking.